You must visit the HAINBUCH stand at MACH 2022. Why is that, Mike?
Well, we'll be there exhibiting all our products, everything new, recent, milling, turning, a bit of grinding as usual.
A bit of grinding, I like that, a nice bit of energy there.
Well, we've got to keep things up to date. We're going to be doing everything there from the expanding mandrels, any technical solutions or inquiries, come and speak to us. We've got a promotion on with our Mondo adapts. You get free segmented clamping bushes. Anything going forward, just come and speak to us.
Brilliant, and you've got also a competition going on the stand.
We have. We're going to be doing the Quick Change Challenge. I believe you're going to have a go at this later on.
I am, and you?
Possibly, but I think we've got Jacob having a go to teach you where to go with that. But on the stand, we're going to have a trophy, a bit of champagne for the winners. Who can get the best time? We'll see how it goes.
Okay, so lots of grinding going on, and also you've got a nice coffee cup there. Are you giving those away?
Indeed, we will. Come and have a conversation with us. We'll be grinding gears, coffee, everything that's going along with this. But then once you've had the coffee, you can take the cup away.
Brilliant, can't wait. It's going to be a really, really good week for us. Now, if you can't visit the MACH show, don't forget, we will be going live on the MTD C&C channels on Monday afternoon, turning, grinding, milling. You've got it all, haven't you? It's going to be good fun.